Presenting the Digitek 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer. The black gimbal is designed with great stability for multi-dimensional operations without a shake or jerks and developed with high-strength composite material. The product has a dimension of 25.4 into 20.32 into 20.32 centimeters with a weight of 500 grams. It comes with a specially designed shock-proof hard carry case to protect the gimbal from damages. The 3-axis feature of the gimbal allows capturing any angle with ease using the smartphone. The intelligent shooting has 3 modes that allows 330-degree pan mode, 325-degree tilt or all follow pattern, 25 watts movements to capture great video shooting with built-in face tracking, panoramic shots, various time-lapse features and smart object tracking provide great control to shoot incredible moments with better clarity. It comes with superior control buttons. The charging time of the lithium battery is 3 to 4 hours that offers a long working time of up to 12 hours and used as a power bank to charge a camera by the USB power output port. The gimbal stabilizer is widely compatible for all dimensions of smartphones. It's compatible with Gopro, Android and iOS. The box includes gimbal, belt, charging cable, leg and gimbal catalog. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.